Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So from today I am going to discuss about C programming. Okay, so this is going to be the full course of C programming from beginners to the advanced level. Okay, so since this is the first class of C, so I am going to discuss about the very easy and very first program of C. So you all know for C programming each and every word is important to know, and this is needful for all the classes from school to the college level also. Okay, and it is the programming which you can divide it into small program. Okay, so this is the first program C, and this program is basically based on hello world. Okay, so let's start. So see here, the first line of this program is include stdio.h. okay, so in hash include stdio.h, this is the first program. So for C, what is the meaning of stdio? Okay, stdio.h. so first, what is the meaning of std? Std means standard, io means input and output. This is means standard, and this is means input and output. Okay, so this is the full form of stdio, and .h means it is the extension of this standard input output, means extension of header file. Okay, so this it is a standard input output functions where we can get the input and we have to give the output, and for all this stdio.h function, this word is needed here. Okay, and include means this file we have to include in C programming, and hash means preprocessor directive. Okay, so this preprocessor directive is included here for standard input output function. Okay, so this is the first line, and everywhere you have to use this line. Next one is, see here, next one is int main. So for C programming you have to understand what is data type. Okay, data type means whatever the value you want to take, you want to get the input from the user, and what the value you want to give the output from to the user, this is called the data. Data means we can take the number type of data, we can take the text type of data. So this is called the data type. Okay, so means the representation of the data is called as data type. So it can be integer type of data, it can be floating type of data. Float means, what is the meaning of float? Float means decimal type of data. But decimal means, for example, 1.25. So this is the decimal type of data. So integer means whatever we have to use the integer type of data, we have to use int. Next is, for example, so integer type of data. Next we can use this is for the character type of data. Next, string, when there is a means the collection of character, we have to use the string. So these are all the data type of C. So here, what type of data we have to use? Here I have used the integer type of data. Okay, next one is main. This is the main function. Whatever the program we have to write here, we have to start from the main. Okay, so int main is a function where it will use for writing our program, and it will use for whatever the structure you have to use, we have to starting from the main function. Okay, this is the main function where it will take the input and it will give the output within this function. So see here, after main function there are two symbols is there. This symbol is called as braces, where you have to use the function. Okay, and next one is say for example, I am giving one another thing. Say for example here, main, this is a function symbol, this is the symbol of function, and after this braces is there. That means this main function has a body part. Here it consists the body. But if I write like this, main, after the semicolon, that means here this line has finished, it is terminated. Okay, so this main function consists of body part, that means it has the structure inside it. Okay, so let's start. So see here, the first line within this main function is printf hello world. What is the meaning of now printf? Printf means here print function. Print function means whatever the value we have to give to the user, to the world, I have to use the printf function. Print f means function. Now I have to use the means I want to give the output as a hello world. So I have to write a hello world, but within this hello world I have to give the double inverted comma. If I write like this hi, then I have to give the double inverted comma, then I have to finish this first bracket and then give semicolon. That means this line has terminated here. See here, semicolon is there, that means the line has terminated here. Okay, so this is called as output function printf. After that return 0. Return 0 means Here return 0 means the within the main function return 0 is always used for the program executed successfully. When a program executed successfully, then see here return 0, we have to give here return 0. That means the program executed successfully. So this is all about the hello world program for C. This is the first. Now you can write anything within this print function and you can see what is the output. Now check what is the output here. See here. So I am writing this program in my mobile. So you can write in you can do this in your laptop also. So there you have to install Turbo C++. You can install that one also. Or for mobile phone you have to use this normally C coding software. Okay. And then after this you have to click on run program, and after this run program, see here it will give the output hello world. Whatever you have to write within this first bracket, this will execute it here. So this is all about today's class. So for next I will give the another program with another explanation. Hope you will like this video. So if you like this, like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you all.